Hi guys, welcome back to the Air Weapon channel. Just a quick one here. I haven't had a chance to sight this in, as I've just put some new iron sights on here. Pretty cool ones, adjustable and everything with just a turning knob. I've also put my homemade invention bayonet foregrip, so makes it easier to pump and stuff. Also have a tracer unit on here, but because I'm running out of sunlight and I got a few videos to make today, I haven't had a chance to sight this in, so hopefully I can hit the target. Just gonna pop off a couple of lemons and an onion, see what it can do, and then just chuck one or two into the car door. This gun only shoots round balls, so I've got the steel weight heavy balls in here. I think they're around 7 grams, the steel rubber balls. So let's get to the shooting. I'm also leaking a little bit of gas, so I'm not sure if I'm going to get full power either. Right then, let's see if I can actually hit any of these things. Missed it. All right. So what do you think of that, guys? Destroyed them lemons and that onion. Now time to pick up the ammunition. All empty. So totally squished up all them, destroyed them. Juicy lemons. Pop that one, there's no insides left in there. That one's completely split into 4. The onion, devastated. The onion, devastated straight out the back. Here's all the balls. I can pick them up and rinse them off. Not sure if the tracer was working then. Right guys, got 15 shots loaded up in here now. Same again, steel rubber balls. Just put fresh gas in here. I've still got a slight leak. Gonna have to look at this. So what I've done is I've put a coconut and a glass aftershave bottle there. See if we can smash through one of them. I've put a nice crack in that. So yes, we can destroy a coconut. So yes, we can destroy a coconut straight through him. Next up, glass bottle. Not gonna break the bottle. Not even a chip on the bottle. That's hard. We'll try an armor piercing 2.25 pellet on that. So then, next up, let's try the car door. Let's try this car door then. Try this car door then. Drop the ammo. Actually, gonna try shooting the car wing mirror. Shoot that wing mirror then. Not much is happening to it. Well guys, smash the glass, no damage to the inside. No damage to the outside, just some rubber marks off the balls. Some really nasty dents in here. Wouldn't want to get hit with that, it would hurt, but still no damage. These car doors are strong, you know. Cars are strong, you know. Right then, that's me done with the HDX. Hope you enjoyed that one, guys. See you all on the next one. Cool little invention, man. See you all on the next one. Bye bye for now.